Good morning, everyone. My name is Kristen Paninsaro, and our topic is quantitative research design. So, what is quantitative research design? Quantitative research design focuses on quantifying data and applying statistical techniques to analyze relationship, patterns, and trends. Quantitative research design is all about using numbers to study something. Researchers collect measurable data like scores, rating, frequency, percentages, and apply statistics to see relationship, pattern, or trends. Example, if you want to know if study hours affect exam scores, you collect the number of hours students studied and their exam result, then analyze them. Next is the key characteristic of a quantitative research design. First, objective and systematic. It avoids personal opinions and follows a step-by-step process. Second, numerical data collection. Information is gathered in the form of numbers. Example, test scores, survey ratings, percentages. Third, statistical analysis. Data is analyzed using math or statistics. Example, averages, correlations, graph. Fourth, large sample sizes. Usually involve many participants to make results more reliable. Fifth, cause and effect relationship. It tries to find out whether one factor directly affects another. Example, does more exercise lead to better health?
Types of quantitative research design. First, descriptive research refers to the process of systematically describing the characteristics, behaviors, or attributes of a population, phenomenon, or situation without manipulating variables, or establishing cause and effect relationships. Descriptive research focuses on answering the what, where, when, and how of a subject, providing a detailed picture and foundational understanding that can lead to a future, more complex research, questions, and hypotheses. Second, correlational research is a non-experimental research method that investigates statistical relationship between two or more variables without manipulating them. It aims to identify if a relationship exists, describes its strengths and direction, positive, negative, or none, and make prediction. But it cannot establish causation. This method is useful for studying variables in their natural settings or when manipulation is unethical, using techniques like surveys, naturalistic observation, and archival data analysis. Third, experimental research are pre-experimental, quasi-experimental, and true experimental designs. These designs differ primarily in their level of control over variables and the random assignments of participants to groups, with true experimental designs offering the most rigorous control and highest accuracy in establishing cause and effect relationship. Fourth, quasi-experimental design is a quantitative research method that investigates cause and effect relationship but lacks random assignment and participants to condition or control groups, making it different from a true experiment. Researchers use quasi-experimental design when ethical or practical constraints prevent true randomization, often in real-world settings. Quasi-experimental research is a type of quantitative research that tries to find cause and effect relationship, like experiments, but it does not randomly assign participants to groups. Researchers use it when random assignment is not possible or non-ethical, often in real-life settings like schools, communities, or workplace.
This is the steps of quantitative research. Number 1. Identify the research problem. Choose a clear and specific issue to study. Number 2. Review related literature. Study previous works to gain background and find gaps. Number 3. Formulate hypothesis. Make a prediction or assumption to be tested. Number 4. Search research design. Decide on the method or plan for the study. Number 5. Collect data. Gather information from respondents or sources. Number 6. Analyze data. Organize and examine data to find pattern or result. Number 7. Interpret present findings. Explain the meaning of results and share them.
So we have advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. First, reliable and objective results. Findings are based on numbers and statistics, making them less biased. Second, can analyze large amount of data. Handles information from many participants, making results more generalizable. Third, allows for hypothesis testing. Helps confirm or reject predictions using statistical analysis. Disadvantages. First, may overlook deeper meaning. Focuses on numbers, not personal experience or context. Second, requires large sample size. Needs many participants to ensure accuracy. Third, time is consuming and costly. Data collection and analysis often need more time, money, and resources.
In conclusion, quantitative research design is essential for producing precise, measurable, and objective results. It provides a foundation for evidence-based decision-making. Quantitative research design is important because it helps researchers produce results that are accurate, measurable, and unbiased. By using number and statistic, the findings are not based on opinion but on real data. This makes it very reliable. It also serves as a strong basis for evidence-based decision-making, meaning people can make choices or policies that are supported by actual data and facts, not just guesses. Example, if a school wants to know whether longer study hours improve grades, quantitative research can give them solid evidence to guide their decisions.